G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2019 Hilux SR in an Extra Cab 4x4 automatic dual cab with the great HiDrive body which is situated on the rear of the vehicle. Reason we do these videos is to give you a really good indication that the car you're looking at with us here at Your Next Car is in great condition. The last three of these have sold within a matter of a week, so they normally do sell quite quickly, and these are why we do the videos on these on these vehicles, to give people a really good indication of the car they're looking at with us. If they are a local or interstate, it presents really well. So again, vehicle does have the GVM Upgrade, which you'll see in the photos on the website. So you'll see GVM Upgrade does have the HiDrive body, which I'll walk around as we walk through the video to give you a good understanding of that as well. Also with the HiDrive roof rack. So it does have a lot of features over and above. And like I said at the start of the video, these normally do sell very quickly, purely for NBN providers, tradesmen, on-site mechanics. We've had a really good blend of people to buy these vehicles. But as you'll see, as I take you through the video, the vehicle presents really well and is great condition for the age and kilometres as well. So we'll start from the rear of the cabin. I will open that door in a tick just to show you the paint condition. Really clean throughout of that paint area. Beautiful condition, absolutely phenomenal for a 2019 model. Side steps are in great condition as well. And then coming up to your driver's door as well, I'll show you how to open that suicide or extra cab door as well. But as you'll see, really clean condition. It does have the Toyota genuine weather shields fitted as well, so on the driver's side and the passenger side. Now to open your super cab, again, that's your main door to open. There is a handle just situated inside the cabin here. So these are classed as a 4-seater. So you'll see your seat belts are connected. Really handy for extra tray length and also for storage. Again, kids can sit in the back or adults, but again, it is a 4-seater. But it's in interior wise, really clean condition. Coming back to your door card on that driver's side, just to say there's no damage on that door card as well. Interior presents really well, so I might as well do the interior. I'll let the door open. Interior seating, beautiful condition. Again, like I said, it has been cared for really well. I will take you through the features internally once we get around anyway, but just show the seating. Again, beautiful condition. Absolutely phenomenal. And I will confirm the kilometres as well as we go through the video. But as you see, interior wise, really clean condition. Again, I will take you through that once we come right around the outside of the car. Coming back to your guard on the driver's side, again, paint condition is phenomenal. No damage whatsoever. Your steel rims and tyres in great condition also as well. Coming to the front of the vehicle, beautiful all the way through, nothing scratch related, which is more what we try and point out in the videos if we do see anything. But just your normal wear and tear for age. A couple of bugs there, sorry about that, couple of bugs in the car. I should have washed it before I did the video, but a couple of bugs just when I've gone to get fuel in it. But as you'll see, really clean condition, that bonnet section. Being a cloudy day really gives you a good idea of condition of the car itself. Coming on the passenger side, front guard area. Again, much the same as the driver's side, beautiful condition. Your steel rim and tyre, again, present very well. And then continuing on with the exterior on that passenger side, again, your weather shield's fitted. Paint condition on that front door. Again, beautiful. Side steps are in great condition again. Now, I do have the ute running in the video, so you can hear it throughout the video as well. Coming back to your extra cab section of the door. Again, really clean condition. Again, I'll open that door, just shows you the interior as well. Door card on that passenger side. Vinyl flooring in the SR model. Again, really clean condition. Cloth interior again. Beautiful condition, no damage. And then to open that suicide door, the extra cab door, just that handle again. And again, just with your interior again. No damage. Your GVM placard, which is just this one here to say it's been upgraded with the GVM of 3.5 tonne. And then coming back to your suicide door again. Absolutely phenomenal. So we'll shut that door. But basically, this is the best bit about it, the HiDrive body. So you do see you've got your HiDrive roof racks with all your condu, all your lighting. So they're an optional extra from HiDrive. So normally your HiDrive box will come just boxed by itself. And then you've got to option up your roof racks, rear slide drawers, shelving and such. So this one has been optioned up. I will show you the door in one tick, but just show you the outside of the body. Again, really clean condition. And these HiDrive bodies are really good quality, but they are not cheap either. I'm tipping this one here would be anywhere from 20 to 25 grand for the setup, and then your GVM upgrade as well. A lot of money has been spent on these, hence why these normally sell quite quickly. So again, your side door opens. You do have your 12-watt plugs. Again, photos of these are on the website, so your dual 12-watt plugs. Your interior shelving, again, are all options from HiDrive. So normally that box would come internally with nothing in there whatsoever. So you do have your upper shelf here, and there is some shelving on the other side, which I'll take you around when we move our way around. Rubber floor mat on the base of the floor. But they're so good, these HiDrive bodies, really good quality and last for a long time, which is the main thing. Coming to the back end of the vehicle again, continue on with the exterior, really clean condition. And also that rear window in the back of that body, normally they wouldn't have a window in that back section of the body, so again that will be an option from HiDrive. Normally it's a complete metal door like on the passenger and driver's side, so that window would be an option as well. Again, the slide drawer or the shovel drawer or trundle drawer, whichever way you want to call it, again that's another option from HiDrive. Really good for shovels, brooms and such. So again, that's another option. So it really does mount up what they have spent with this body. Especially with HiDrive, they're not a cheap function to buy. Just the rear tailgate. Again, it does have reverse camera, which is just situated there. Factory reverse sensors as well. But coming to your back end of your vehicle, again, plenty of storage there. Like I said, perfect for an on-site mechanic, carpenter, whatever trade you're in. These are so universal. If you're going to go camping, you want to take those shelving out the rear, you can do that also as well. So really a good universal body, but again, not cheap to purchase. So if you do your research on just on HiDrive alone, they are very expensive, but of very good quality as well. So continuing on the back end of the vehicle, again, that HiDrive body on the driver's side, steel rim and tyre. Again, this door is a little bit different. This is a fold function one from memory. Yeah, it is too. So this one is a different style door, so you'll see it will fold up to give you more height, I suppose, just internally. So it's a different style door. Again, that would be an option from HiDrive. Or your internal shelving, again, from HiDrive. They are all options from HiDrive, so they are not cheap to purchase. So if you're looking at these ones, particularly with a HiDrive body, really hard to compare with just a standard fleet trades. These bodies are really phenomenal. Great quality, long lasting, and again, very, very expensive. So really clean condition again. So plenty of room for tools of any description. Screws, actually I might leave that because it's one hand, it's a bit tricky. Yeah, really handy for a carpenter, plumber, whatever it may be, to put all your tools and screws and so forth in the back section of the body. We'll jump inside the vehicle. Again, I'll jump inside and get the case for you and just take you through the features interior wise. I'll just shut that door quickly. All right, so current kilometres, I'll turn that radio down. So current kilometres as we speak is 192,475. So the current kilometres the vehicle has travelled as of today. Coming back feature wise, you do have your volume control, Bluetooth settings, and your mode buttons for your stereo system. Again, your cruise control is just beneath your steering section on the stalk of the arm. For factory cruise control, electric mirrors and power windows are just over to your right hand side. Coming across to your stereo system, again, it's just an AM FM radio. Again, Bluetooth compatibility. Reverse camera will come up automatically. You'll hear the beep beep to say the reverse sensors are activated. So really handy, and again, Bluetooth compatibility. Again, your air conditioning and heating, all those buttons are pretty basic for the Hilux. It is just for your entry model. And then you've got your beacon lighting also for your lights on top of the roof itself as well. Automatic transmission, very basic, and just your handbrake as well. So as you'll see, for a 2019 model with these kilometres, it really presents really well. They do sell very quickly with these HiDrive bodies, so they do have a massive following, particularly in an extra cab. So if you're after a Hilux extra cab with a tradesman body, this will not last long. Please give us a call here at Your Next Car and Officer. But again, it's been a pleasure to take you through this video of our vehicle. If you have any questions moving forward, please don't hesitate to give Andrew or Glenn a call here at the dealership. We'll both look after you very well. But it's been a pleasure to take you through this video of our 19 model Hilux SR. And the best thing about it is just your HiDrive body. I know I harp on it a lot, but it is the best thing about this vehicle. And the GVM upgrade is another cost which you don't have to worry about as well. But it's been a pleasure to take you through this video. Have a great day, and hopefully we've found the right Hilux for you. Have a great day.